In this video, I will show you how to clear saved passwords in Google Chrome. So let's get started. If you let the browser remember your password or keep you logged in, it will save your login info and fill it automatically next time. Clearing saved password can help protect your security. First, open Google Chrome browser. Now click the three dot icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the options, click Settings. Next, click Privacy and Security in the left panel. Now click Delete Browsing Data on the right. On pop-up window, go to Advanced. Now select the option Passwords and other sign-in data. Remove other options as we need to delete saved passwords only. Now select Time Range as all time. Once done, click Delete Data and all the saved passwords will be removed from Chrome browser. So that is how you can clear saved passwords in Google Chrome. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.